Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Billie Jean X Boom X F It Up with all the great Michael Jackson moves. Yeah, you know it. Woo! And then of course that. A big thanks to Goosey J for creating this awesome dance. If you don't know who she is, go check out her stuff. I'll post her name somewhere here. So it's basically just 3 awesome Michael Jackson dance moves, and there's a ball chain at the end. Alright, let's just dive right into it. I'm gonna start with the first move, which is this one. Alright, now with this move, you basically just do a lot of jumps, yeah, and you're doing kick, switch leg, kick, switch leg, kick, switch leg, kick. Yeah, so now this is a bit exaggerated. When you do it fast, it's more subtle. Yeah, I'm just gonna show it from the side. Yeah, you can do it however you want. But basically, you just say kick, switch, and you jump every time. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, the arms are the same. A, 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 A. Yeah, and you want to do that every time you're kicking. Boom, A, boom, A, 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 A. So, let me just show it from the side as well. So, when you do it slow, whoop, switch, kick, switch, kick. Now, you can either do it on the spot, or if you want to move forward, you just back a bit up here. You just jump a bit to the front every time you do the kick. Alright, so when I go kick here, I go jump a bit to the front. Now I'm just exaggerating, right, for you to see. Boom, switch, jump. Alright? But of course you just, do smaller jumps. So do here, and a bit forward, and a bit forward, and a bit forward, and so on. And just show you how to do it fast. So boom, A. Now you want to do 3 of those. The timing is, I'm just gonna count. So this is on 1, then it goes 2, 3, 4. Then you want to go 5, 6, 7, and then you can clap on 8. That's what we created this. All right. Okay, I just realized I haven't actually explained to you what to do at the very beginning. So you pose however you want. You can do a ball chain. So what I do here is I go left, back, right to the front, and then I just go here, pose, and then you wait for it to freeze. Some people also do this, whatever you want. Yeah, so you freeze on 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can go and 5, 6, 7, and clap. So just try that with me. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and a clap. Now, the next thing you want to do is the Michael Jackson leg shuffle, all right? I just made a detailed tutorial on how to do that. So if you don't know how to do it, go check it out. I'll just briefly explain it here, right? So what you want to do is say mini jumps, jumping to one side, the other one kicks up. You want to go back, here, back, here, back. Let me just show it from the side here. Yeah, so up. My toes are still planted on the ground. The other one kicks up, boom. All right, and then the arm is just going figure 8 here. So here, up, boom, and boom, and boom, and boom. All right, remember I have a detailed tutorial if you still don't know how to do it. So for this Michael Jackson leg shuffle, you just want to do 3 of them. So right after this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's just practice the leg shuffle one time. Yeah. So from here we want to go 3 of those and then clap. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and a clap. All right. Now let's try and do it with the beginning. Yeah. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try it a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now leg, 2, 3, and a 4. All right, now the moonwalk. Let me just quickly explain how I do it. Now you want to start with your right, for instance, so you have all of your weight on your right, and you're just lifting your left leg here back. Yeah, now you have all of your weight on your left, taking your right back, switch weight, boom, switch weight, step back, switch weight, back. Now once you can do this, you can try and drag it across the floor without actually having that much weight on it. So my right here, I'm dragging it back, but all of my weight is on my left. Right, now switch weight, going down right, drag the left back, weight on the left, drag your right back. Yeah, and then you can do this in the beginning. Once you become more smooth, you can do this weight transition more smoothly. Now, the moonwalk is not something you master in a minute. I have a detailed tutorial where I'll break it a bit more down. You're welcome to see that. If you want, I'll leave the link in the description. Now, as for the timing, so this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And then we go 5, 6, 7. Get ready on 8, so you can clap to whatever you want. You just go back in here. So you want to say back, yeah? You want to get back into the first position to break out of this out of body effect, aka ghost effect. I actually also made a detailed tutorial on how to, make it work every time. I'll leave the link in the description. But basically, the trick is just to sort of hide your face in some way. I know that most people do not, like an exaggerated knot, so that it loses your face tracking here, and then you'll get out of this out of body, aka ghost effect. All right, so let me just rewind from the tip to the top. We want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1. All right, now remember this ball chain is just left, back, right, front, and then close however you want. So, all right, guys, hope you're ready to practice this with me. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Move out of the picture. Back. Okay, let's try one more time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. All right. So that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Billie Jean X Boo X F it up TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.